and drove with an average speed V1 60 km per hour instead of the scheduled average speed of 70 km per hour. After the rain stopped, the driver drove the bus at an average speed of 75 km per hour and covered the remaining 40 km exactly in the scheduled time. How long did it rain? It's very simple. Just we have to I think we have read question. Let me make small so that I'll get enough space to scribble. This is a thing. Then next again. Yeah. During return journey from the picnic spot. Okay, there's a picnic spot. And there's a school. It began to rain. Therefore, the driver reduced the speed. So here it started raining. So the driver, what he will do, he will reduce the speed of the bus. With a V1 instead of scheduled average. So he will cover a distance, say let it be X1. Then afterwards, after the rain stopped, okay, this is, I think, for a duration of time at which the rain will take place, no, the rain will occur, no? So this is what the time T1. Then next again, no rain. The bus will move the speed V2, average speed of V2. Okay, this is what that V2. Okay, I'll indicate. And you will cover a distance X2 in an interval of time T2. V2 is 75 km per hour. If there were no rain, the average would have been 70 km per hour. Okay, then you know we have discussed some concepts if you can recollect. So what is V average is equal to distance covered X1, total distance covered by time taken. What is X1? V1 T1, V2 T2 by T1 plus T2. What is T1? Time for which it rained, duration of time for which it rained. Duration of time for which rain occurred or raining occurred, it is. What is T2? Duration of time for which there was no rain. Okay, this, I think already we have come across this formula if you can remember. Okay, what are V1, V2? As we know, V1, V2. V1 is 60 km per hour. And average speed, if there were no rain, you would have covered the distance with an average speed 70 km, 75 km per hour, 70 km per hour. So 70 is equal to V1, we know 60 T1, V2 75 T2 by T1 plus T2. Now, what is the thing is we don't know. We don't know that T2, no. So let's take help of this equation. After the rain stopped, the driver drove the bus at an average speed of 75 km per hour and covered remaining S equal 40 km exactly in scheduled time. So what is the meaning of this? That X2 is what? S here without rain, and with what speed it was moving? V2. So what is V2 is should be equal to S by T2 or X2 by T2. So do we know V2? 75. Do we know X2? 40 km per hour. Let me write like this. And this is T2. So what is T2 should be equal to now? 40 by 75. This should be equal to, I think it will be 8 by 15. How long did it rain? So T1 is unknown thing. So let me substitute. So there's the equation 1. There's the equation 2. Let me substitute 2 in 1. We'll get the required answer. So after solving this, we'll end up 70 equal to 60 T1, 75, 8 by 15, T1, 8 by 15. So solving this, we'll get the T1 value. I think I have to work out here. It will be 2.0.27 hour. This will be your answer. I think it's not something very big problem. Only thing we should understand the conditions that are given clearly and draw some diagram